The Vitamin C Sport Loop from Apple. It's definitely something special. It came out in spring 2020 along with a variety of other seasonal colors. Still available for every generation Apple Watch and size. I'll be giving you my honest 1-month review, including matching watch faces, practicality, and what to wear it with, so you know if it works for you or not. Give it a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open it. To be honest, when I first saw it on the website, I thought it would be a bright, happy color. But having it myself, it feels more like of a calm, earthy color. It feels relaxed with that pale blue and brown, with a hint of optimism in that orange lining. I know it's good quality, especially having a lot of sport loops already, but there's something about that brown nylon that doesn't look premium to me compared to other Apple sport loops. It'll definitely last longer than other imitations out there, which I've learned the hard way. And I can see this looking best with a gold Apple Watch. Feel comfortable to work at and sweat in this breathable nylon. This quality Velcro allows you to form a perfect and secure fit. Attach with a metal piece on the inside. After sliding in both ends, put your hand through the loop and pull to tighten. Then close it with a Velcro end. There's a good variety of matching watch faces. Apple has the option of exact color matching on a couple of them. Otherwise, you could just match one of the colors on the Sport Loop. Go traditional with a classic face or choose an animated one. Multicolor faces work too. It's made for sport, so it's great with activewear, but it also works with casual. So you could possibly wear it all day. It easily holds in water, so keep that in mind when getting wet. When it came to matching colors, I felt a bit limited because of the orange, though I was still satisfied because I had a lot of neutrals like black, white, and gray. And earth tones work with it too, just don't wear it with a suit or anything formal. In conclusion, I like how I can wear it all day, and it is a nice color combination, but it isn't my favorite one. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.